In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a campaign URL in Mailchimp. If you've ever shared a Mailchimp campaign and realized the link looks messy, off-brand, or simply not what you wanted, updating the campaign URL is a quick way to fix that. In this walkthrough, we'll focus specifically on changing the URL for a draft email campaign, which is the ideal time to make this adjustment before you hit send. First, go ahead and log into your Mailchimp account and head to your main dashboard. From there, look toward the top of the screen and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns live. Once you're on that page, make sure you're in the All Campaigns view so you can see every campaign that exists in your account, including drafts, scheduled, and sent emails. Next, find the campaign that's still in draft status. This is important. You can only change the campaign URL while the email is still a draft. If it's already been sent, the URL is locked in and you won't be able to edit it. Click on your draft email to open the campaign builder. Once the draft is open, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Share Your Email. This section controls how your campaign is shared as a web link, which is the URL people will see if you post it on social media, add it to your website, or send it as a standalone link. Inside the Share Your Email section, look for the email link that shows the current URL. Right next to that link, you'll see an Edit option. Go ahead and click Edit. This will open a small field where you can customize the end part of the URL, often called the slug. The slug is the readable text that appears at the end of the link, and it's a great place to put something short, clear, and related to your campaign, like a product name, a promotion, or a date. Carefully type in your new URL text. Avoid spaces and special characters. Stick with letters, numbers, and dashes so the link stays clean and functional. When you're happy with it, click Save. After saving, double-check that the new URL looks correct and matches your campaign's purpose. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the campaign URL for your draft email in Mailchimp, keeping your links clean, professional, and on brand.